Hi everyone, my name is Yubashini Viswanathan. So now I'm going to teach you guys about Unity application for newbies. Okay, first of all, you guys know what is Unity? What does Unity means? Is a game engine. Uh, if something comes on Unity means it's based on game engine, which we use to create a game application without using any coding. For example, we won't use C++ coding or Java programming language. Unity is a cross-platform game engine developed by Unity Technologies. There are so many developers in Unity Technologies. First, Unity is announced and released in June 2005 at Apple Incorporate's Worldwide Developer Conference as a Mac OS exclusive game engine. Okay, and then it is also written in C++ runtime and C hashtag, which is Unity scripting API. The operating system which can support Unity is Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Which is available in Unity is English. It's a game engine type, and the several major versions of Unity have been released since its launch. The latest stable version is 2019. 2 and 6 was released in September 2019. The main aim to launch Unity game engine is to democratize game development by making it accessible to more developers. Unity was named runner-up in the Best Use of Mac OS X graphics category in Apple Incorporate's Apple Design Awards. Unity was initially released for Mac OS later, adding support for Microsoft Windows and web browsers. Okay guys, let me show you all the official page of Unity application in Google Chrome. This is the official page of Unity Google Chrome. Here we can learn on how to use Unity application. So first, I wanna show you guys the story brought to life. Here are so many avatars that we can use in our Unity applications. There are so many different types of avatars. First, let me show you one example. Those who has created these type of avatar. For example, if you took Norman's Highlands like Little Mountain animation, if it took a while for loading, go. This Norman's Highland animation, which is Righteous Robbers for the Win. Little Mountain animation is based on suburb of Vancouver at the heart of a family owned by Nathan Thomas, his wife, and their 2 kids. Here's the developer of Norman's Highland animation. Kimberly Thomas is the writer, Bradley Soraka is artist, and Nathan Thomas is the director of the Norman Highland. Here's the project of that. So we look development with PBR, and here are so on about the animation. Islands of Norman Highland. Okay, after that, let me show you guys. On here, we can learn on how to use Unity faster and easier way. There should be some online training for you guys to learn. Here are so many projects and tutorials for you guys to learn on Unities. There are some. Let me show you guys. Okay. After that, here you can sign in this Google Unity website by using your email address, or you can create your own Unity ID, so it will be easy for you guys to use in Unity application. And then here is a Unity Learn, another official page which you have after you have been registered a Unity ID. So here you can go to tutorials to learn more about Unity application. So here are so many tutorials that you can follow. Okay, first of all, you have to, as I said, you must log in, use your email address or your own Unity ID here. After that, you go for the tutorials and you have to click the create your first Unity project, Unity Technologies, part of getting started with Unity. After that, so due to what, we have to wait. It's for the beginners. Before our tutorial, you have to do one by one. Okay, after that, you have your screen have been shown like this. There are so many things you can do, 2D, 3D applications, and beginner walkthroughs, and user micro gaming cutting, a new user micro game platformer. Okay, first let me teach you all on how to download Unity application. First, you have to get started with Unity. You press it, and then after that you have to press over here. Okay, press over here, start here. After you've been clicked there, the Unity application will download itself and you have to open your first game. So here I've already opened the first game, so you can click on it. So there will be some tutorial for you to do. It will be step by step, and then so it will be like this. First walkthrough is play testing. So welcome to Unity and the infinite world of creativity. Start it. For first step, it will let you to play some game on Unity. So you have to click the play button to see on how Unity can make a game. So it will take a while, so you have to wait for it to move. It will be 1, 2, 3 countdown started on the screen. Okay, so now you can play the game by using your left and right and forward or backward button. If you want to exit your game, again you have to enter your play button. So we'll go to next step. So let me choose. There are so many tabs on Unity applications. There are hierarchy tab, project tab, and inspector tab. In the hierarchy tab, we can control our avatars. From project tab, we can control our colors and our designs in our Unity application. The inspector one, it will show our tutorials on how to use Unity application. So let me click on next button. So it will ask us to select a card and card from game object. So you have to select, and it will be green color, and you have to press next. And you're almost ready to speed up the card. So we here in inspector tab, we can increase our speed of our card, which is called our avatar. So the move of our avatar depend on the top speed of our number. So here let me click 60. Okay, it's finished. So we can go for the next. So now we can play our game. So now you can see the changes in speeds of our avatar. We have to wait until the thing is done. Now we can play our game. So straight. See, the speed is increased, right? So here's the top speed changes. Okay, for stop, I'm going to click play button again. After that, our walkthrough one is done, and let's go to walkthrough, getting to know the editors. Next, we have to click our show me button. So Then we save the game and we can go to the walkthrough too. Okay, that is getting now. So let me do next and here it will introduce a hierarchy window to us about scan view, and then I have to select our hand tool. Here we have so many hand tools. Here is hand tool, here is move tool, rotate tool, scale tool, rectangle tool, move or rotate or scale selected tool. Okay, here you have to use hand tool, and here we use hand tool to pan around the scene. So we can see everywhere using our pan tool. We move and see every scene using our pen tool. So the next step is our orbit scheme. Orbit scheme means this one. So we can see our orbit from here by using pen tool by moving it. After that, we can see zoom in and zoom out in our scene using our mouse. And then we can also use our project tab for display all of the assets that are available in our project. There are so many examples, 3D models, textures, audio files, and more. Here we can see. Okay, let me go for the next step, and then let us go to the changing color, which is walkthrough 3. We have to press done, and then we have to go for the editor colors. Let's color. Okay, now we can color our application. Let's change the color of your card. Card is an avatar, which is the thing which is moving is called avatar. So next, okay, select the card from our hierarchy tab. You have to select and frame the card. Frame the card, you have to do use your keyboard by pressing F on your keyboard. So if you press F on your keyboard means the avatar will be zoomed in. You have to go to your next step and select card eraser model. Cast eraser material is at project tab, which is here. So you have to press it and you can change the color of your avatar. It's your choice. So here you have to tap and you can choose whatever color you want to use. There are so many different colors. Let me show you. Okay, this color maybe. Okay, I think this. Okay, this one is look nice. And then go for the next step. And then enter play mode to play your avatar. Play with your avatar. Okay, it took a while, so wait for a while. So now you can play with our avatar. Now let's play. Yeah, here. Okay. After that, exit the play mode. Okay, so now that we are done with our walkthrough for. After that, we are going to add some prefab. Let's add it. And okay, next. Prefab can be found in a project window. Yes, and they are represented by a blue cube icon. Okay, here is a prefab. Let us go for the next. Select the building shot prefab. Building shot. Here is the building shot prefab. And then copy the building shot prefab to your on your mouse. Drag it to project window, the relative page in the hierarchy. So we just use our mouse and drag it to our hierarchy window. So this. Let me show you all on how to change color of our avatar. Okay, here you have to go for the audio. First, let me show you an audio. Here we can put so many types of audio with your favorite sound. You can edit by using the audio panel. And then you also can have animations, different type of animations in your card, either player left or player